Imagine a colossal industrial titan, a machine so powerful and sophisticated that it can mold massive sections of an entire automobile in a mere matter of minutes. But before we start, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. This is not a scene extracted from a high-budget science fiction cinematic production. It is the unfolding reality of 2026. At the epicenter of this seismic shift is Elon Musk and Tesla, working tirelessly to redefine the very essence of how we construct vehicles. The catalyst for this transformation is the Giga Press, a piece of engineering marvel that has already fundamentally disrupted the global automotive manufacturing landscape. In the conventional era, creating the rear underbody of a vehicle was a grueling, multi-stage ordeal requiring the meticulous joining of 70 to 100 individual components. Today, that entire complex assembly is birthed from a single, seamless casting. This technological leap translates directly into superior structural integrity, significantly reduced vehicle weight, and a production velocity that leaves traditional assembly lines in the dust. However, the narrative does not conclude with current achievements. Tesla is now venturing into even more ambitious territory, developing machinery designed to cast nearly the entire skeletal structure of a vehicle in one definitive process. Consider the profound implications of such a shift. What happens when the traditional mile-long assembly line is condensed into a singular high-pressure event? What if building a car becomes as streamlined and efficient as 3D printing a consumer product? This is the paradigm shift threatening to rattle the foundations of the global auto industry. But beyond the obvious gains in speed and fiscal efficiency, a critical question emerges. Will this innovation provide Tesla with an insurmountable competitive moat, or will it redefine the standard for everyone? To truly grasp this, we must look inside the belly of the beast, the Giga Press itself. How does this mechanical titan operate from within? Is it truly the ultimate manufacturing weapon of the next decade? The insights revealed in this exploration are vital for anyone seeking to understand the future of mobility. Before we dive deeper into the mechanics of this revolution, ensure you are subscribed to stay informed on the cutting edge of technological evolution. To appreciate the brilliance of the Giga Press, one must first look back at the arduous nature of traditional car manufacturing. Historically, a car has never been a singular entity. It is a chaotic symphony of thousands of disparate parts, both large and small. The journey begins with the fabrication of individual elements: body panels, intricate chassis frames, suspension mounts, engine housings, and a myriad of brackets. These components are often manufactured in scattered satellite factories or sourced from a global web of third-party suppliers. Once gathered, they converge at the assembly line, where the true complexity begins. This environment is a high-stakes jigsaw puzzle where every microsecond counts. At one station, robotic arms perform thousands of precise welds. At another, high-torque bolts are secured. And at yet another, panels are painstakingly aligned to ensure aerodynamic efficiency and aesthetic perfection. In a standard vehicle body, there are literally thousands of weld points. Each of these joints represents a potential point of failure or structural compromise. Wherever two distinct pieces of metal are fused, localized stress increases, creating vulnerabilities that engineers must constantly account for. Furthermore, ensuring that every single joint across thousands of units is perfectly aligned requires an exhaustive quality control apparatus. A mismatch of even a few millimeters can jeopardize the safety, harmonics, and longevity of the entire vehicle. Beyond the physical construction, the logistical nightmare of traditional manufacturing is staggering. Managing the flow of hundreds of parts, ensuring they arrive from stamping units or external vendors to the assembly line at the exact moment they are needed, requires a level of coordination that is both expensive and prone to systemic errors. Any delay in a single subcomponent can bring an entire multi-billion-dollar production facility to a grinding halt. This is the chaotic, fragmented reality that Tesla chose to challenge. Instead of iterating on a century-old process, they asked a fundamental, disruptive question. Why does it have to be this complicated? Tesla's philosophy was simple yet radical. If you reduce the sheer number of parts, you inherently eliminate the complexity, the weight, and the failure points associated with them. This realization birthed the era of massive die casting. By utilizing the Giga Press, Tesla replaced the nightmare of welding 80 different rear-end parts with a single, unified casting. Imagine the efficiency. Molten alloy is injected into a precision-engineered mold under titanic pressure, and in seconds, a complete structural section emerges. No separate joints, no thousands of welds, and no logistical overhead for 80 different part numbers. The immediate advantages are undeniable. Firstly, the structural rigidity is vastly improved because a monolithic part has no seams to crack or loosen. Secondly, the temporal savings are astronomical, as dozens of assembly steps are collapsed into one. Thirdly, the reduction in labor, floor space, and material handling leads to a significant decrease in the total cost per unit. Tesla didn't just make a better part. They reimagined the very logic of industrial creation, proving that sometimes the best part is no part at all. What exactly is the Giga Press? The name itself sounds like something derived from a futuristic industrial manifesto, evoking images of immense weight and impenetrable complexity. However, the core concept behind this mechanical titan is surprisingly elegant. To understand the Giga Press in its simplest form, envision it as a gargantuan molding machine. The fundamental difference between this and a common factory tool is the scale and the stakes. Instead of molding plastic toys, it is birthing the very skeleton of a high-performance electric vehicle. Most of us remember the childhood fascination of seeing plastic injected into a mold to create a solid shape. The Giga Press operates on that exact same principle, but scaled up 1,000-fold. Instead of molten plastic, it utilizes molten aluminum alloys, and instead of a hand-sized toy, it produces massive structural sections that define the car's integrity. Imagine a machine the size of a small suburban house. Inside this metal beast lies a massive, heavy-duty mold known as a die, which contains the intricate, negative space blueprint of a car's structural component. Into this die, molten aluminum, liquid metal heated to extreme temperatures, is injected under staggering levels of pressure. This pressure is so intense and calculated that the liquid metal is forced into every microscopic crevice and corner of the mold, ensuring the final product is perfectly shaped. Within seconds of injection, the metal undergoes a rapid cooling process, transforming from a glowing liquid into a solid, rigid piece of engineering. The mold then opens and a fully formed, ready-to-use structural part is extracted. This single, lightning-fast cycle replaces what used to be a marathon of welding, bolting, and manual alignment across multiple factory stations. However, we must understand that this is far from a simple pouring process. Inside the Giga Press, a sophisticated dance of physics is taking place. Temperature regulation, pressure modulation, and split-second timing are absolutely critical to the success of each cycle. If the molten aluminum is even slightly too cool, it will fail to fill the mold properly, leading to structural voids. If it is too hot, the metal's crystalline structure could be compromised, resulting in a brittle part. This is why the entire apparatus is saturated with thousands of advanced sensors and artificial intelligence-driven automation. Every millisecond is monitored to ensure that the pressure remains constant and the cooling is uniform. Tesla has taken this decades-old die-casting technology and propelled it into a new dimension, scaling it to a level where it can produce the primary front and rear underbodies of a vehicle in one definitive shot. To put this into perspective, consider the puzzle analogy. In the traditional automotive world, building a car is like assembling a 1,000-piece jigsaw puzzle. You have to ensure every tiny piece fits perfectly with the next, and each connection point is a potential error. The Giga Press, however, creates the entire puzzle as one solid, unified piece of metal. This doesn't just simplify the assembly. It produces a structure that is inherently cleaner, stronger, and more consistent. Human error, a significant factor in manual welding and alignment, is almost entirely purged from the equation. When a machine handles the molding, every single car that rolls off the line possesses the exact same structural dimensions and quality. There are no Monday morning cars with slightly misaligned frames. Yet, we must not mistake this efficiency for simplicity. Behind the scenes, the engineering requirements are monumental. Designing a die that can withstand such extreme thermal and physical stress for thousands of cycles requires high-level materials science. Managing the complex cooling systems that prevent the metal from warping as it solidifies is a feat of thermodynamics. Tesla spent years and likely billions perfecting these variables. They didn't just buy a machine. They pioneered a new manufacturing language. The real question that now haunts the boardrooms of traditional automakers is, if one machine can render an entire factory wing obsolete, where does the evolution end? Is there a ceiling to how large these castings can get, or are we moving toward a future where the entire chassis is a single piece of metal? The journey from 100 parts to one part is not just an improvement. It is the death of the old way of thinking. We have arrived at the pivotal moment where the theoretical brilliance of the Giga Press meets the harsh, practical reality of the global market. This is where the game truly changes, transforming the Giga Press from a mere industrial tool into a full-scale manufacturing revolution. To grasp the magnitude of this shift, one must envision the transition from 100 components down to a single, unified entity. In the legacy automotive world, constructing a major section like the rear underbody was a logistical and mechanical nightmare. It involved 70 to 100 distinct parts, each requiring its own stamping die, its own supply chain, and its own specialized welding robot. Now, that entire chaotic assembly is condensed into a single casting. This is the ultimate simplification through innovation, and its impact is felt across three major pillars: strength, time, and capital. First, let us examine the concept of structural integrity. When a car frame is composed of 100 different pieces joined by welds and bolts, every single joint acts as a potential failure point. No matter how advanced the robotic welding is, a joint will never possess the same molecular consistency as a solid piece of metal. By casting the section as a monolithic block, Tesla has created a structure that is inherently more rigid and durable. This provides a massive advantage in vehicle safety. During a collision, the kinetic energy is distributed across a continuous metal structure rather than being concentrated at weld points that might snap or shear. This leads to better crash test ratings and a more stable driving experience, as the car's frame resists twisting and vibration more effectively than a multi-part assembly ever could. Secondly, the acceleration of production speed is staggering. In a traditional factory, the time required to move parts through dozens of welding stations, align them, and verify the integrity of thousands of spots adds hours to the build time of a single vehicle. With the Giga Press, these steps are deleted from the timeline. The production line becomes shorter, the factory floor footprint shrinks, and the output per square foot of factory space skyrockets. This allows a company to scale its operations at a pace that traditional manufacturers, burdened by legacy processes, simply cannot match. It is the difference between writing a book by hand and using a high-speed printing press. Thirdly, we must consider the financial implications. Reducing the part count by 90% leads to a massive reduction in raw material handling, labor costs, and energy consumption. Fewer machines running means lower maintenance costs and less power usage. This efficiency gives Tesla a dual-edged sword in the market. They can either enjoy significantly higher profit margins than their competitors or lower their prices to a point where traditional manufacturers cannot compete without losing money. This is the cost moat that is currently causing panic in the boardrooms of legacy car brands. They are realizing that their entire infrastructure is built on an obsolete, more expensive logic. However, every technological leap comes with a set of hidden complexities, and this is where the story becomes nuanced. While the Giga Press is a dream for manufacturing, it presents a potential nightmare for repairability. In the old system, if a car was involved in a minor rear-end collision, a technician could cut out a small damaged panel and weld in a new one. But when the entire rear structure is a single, massive casting, a significant dent or crack could potentially compromise the whole unit. In some scenarios, what would have been a simple repair could now lead to the entire vehicle being totaled by insurance companies because replacing a primary structural casting is far more complex and expensive. This raises serious questions about the long-term cost of ownership and the sustainability of disposable structural engineering. Furthermore, we must look at how Tesla is applying this in the real world today. This isn't just a pilot project. It is the backbone of the Tesla Model Y. In their gigafactories in Texas and Berlin, Tesla utilizes machines with clamping forces ranging from 6,000 to 9,000 tons. To visualize this, imagine the weight of the Eiffel Tower being concentrated into a single hydraulic press. This immense force ensures that the molten aluminum fills every microscopic detail of the boundaries of its 9,000-ton Giga Presses, and rumors of even larger machines, potentially reaching 12,000 to 15,000 tons of clamping force, continue to circulate. The goal is simple yet audacious: to mold nearly the entire skeletal structure of a car in a single high-pressure event. If this vision reaches fruition, the traditional automotive assembly line, as perfected by Henry Ford over a century ago, will effectively become an artifact of history. Imagine the factory of the future. Instead of a mile-long corridor filled with hundreds of welding robots and thousands of sparks flying every second, you see a compact, ultra-automated facility centered around a few massive casting cells. On one side, raw aluminum ingots are melted. On the other, a complete car chassis emerges every few minutes. This radical consolidation would shrink the physical footprint of a factory by nearly 40%, drastically reducing capital expenditure and energy consumption. For Tesla, this isn't just about making cars. It's about making the machine that builds the machine more efficient than anything the world has ever seen. By eliminating the need for hundreds of individual stamps and subassemblies, they are stripping away the very layers of complexity that have traditionally protected legacy automakers from new competition. However, as we venture into this one-piece car era, we must confront the sobering reality of the hidden risks that no one in the hype cycle wants to discuss. The first and most prominent danger is the all-or-nothing nature of massive casting. In a traditional setup, if a small bracket or a single panel has a defect, you simply discard that $5 part. But when your entire rear chassis is a single, expensive casting, a microscopic crack or a pocket of trapped air can ruin the entire unit. As the size of the casting increases, the probability of a defect, known as porosity or cold shuts, multiplies exponentially. This means that a tiny error in temperature or pressure doesn't just waste a part. It wastes a massive amount of high-grade alloy and stops the entire production flow. Tesla is betting billions that their AI-driven monitoring can keep these defect rates low enough to remain profitable. Then, there is the issue of design rigidity. Traditional manufacturing is surprisingly flexible. If an engineer needs to change the shape of a small internal bracket to improve safety or accommodate a new sensor, they only need to modify one small tool. In the world of gigacasting, the die or the mold is a multi-million-dollar piece of precision machined steel that takes months to produce. If a design flaw is discovered after the Giga Press is operational, or if market tastes shift rapidly, the cost and time required to retool are astronomical. This creates a paradox. While the Giga Press makes production faster, it makes design iteration slower. Tesla must get the design 100% right from the very beginning, as there is very little room for error or on-the-fly adjustments. Beyond the factory walls, the crash and scrap dilemma remains a significant concern for the consumer. While a single-piece frame is incredibly strong, it lacks the modularity of older cars. In a high-impact collision, energy is absorbed through the entire monolithic structure. If that structure deforms, it cannot be straightened or patched in the way a multi-part steel frame can. This could lead to a future where even moderate accidents result in a car being written off by insurance companies, potentially driving up premiums and lowering the resale value of these high-tech vehicles. The long-term durability of these massive aluminum castings under the stress of millions of road vibrations is also a field of study that is still being tested in real time by current Tesla owners. In conclusion, the Giga Press is the ultimate manufacturing weapon, a bold, high-stakes gamble that has allowed Tesla to outpace the world. It is a masterclass in engineering simplification that proves that the most efficient part is the one that doesn't exist. Yet, it also brings a new set of centralized risks, from massive retooling costs to complex repairability issues. Whether this technology becomes the universal standard for all car makers or remains a specialized, Tesla-only advantage depends on how these risks are managed in the coming years. One thing is certain: the era of the Lego-style car assembly is fading, and the era of the molded machine is here to stay. If you want to keep up with how these shifts are changing your world, stay tuned and stay curious.